Okay. Let's make this gold ore. It's becoming nighttime. Crap. Alright, let's just... Chill, dude. Alright, I'm wasting 2 diamonds in order to make this alchemy chest. Wow. Alright, I'm coming down to the mine. Did you find your stuff? Oh, that stinks. Did you make anything good? Like, good tools? Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, it's amazing there. That's why I have my home set, or my waypoint set, as home, or house. So if I need to, I can just dig straight up. You're supposed to be able to hit X, but yours isn't working. I'll figure it out later when we're not making video. If you can see my name tag, I'm near the exit. Like the whoop. Alright, I have 2 diamond. In order to make this, I need, oh god, 4 more. But I need to get 5, technically. Alright, coal. That's what it needs for now. Oh man. You find your way? Oh, you found your where you died? Do you mind? Why are you running this way? Run that way. That's the exit. Towards the lava. I don't have food. Go to the house. That way, I said. Toward the lava. And then take a left. It's right in front of you, dude. Oh. Hey, iron. It's another step I need for this ingredient. Yeah. Okay. Oh, kill it. Run away from it. Don't let it blow up. Alright, I'm gonna mine around this area. You need to find diamond. We have no food, I don't think. That's what I said. That's why someone needs to do the mining and someone needs to do the hunting and wood cutting. That's why also we need Chris.
Yeah.
But Chris would want to do the mining and I'd be like, oh heck no, because we probably keep all the ores. And try to be like a Sipsco. Gold dust? Don't. Put in, wait, are you smelting a gold ore? You put a gold ore into a macerator. Don't smelt anything or anything up there, because it's dark. Because the solar panel won't work and the generator has no coal. Just put it in then. Generator just gives more electricity if you have coal in it, or like charcoal. The back box gets power from the generator and solar panel, and it puts it into the machines. Ooh, nickelite. Last time I had nickelite, there was diamond beside it. I don't know who doesn't hate lag. Oh. Another mine. No. Ooh. This is lava, so there might be diamonds nearby. Come on. Alright, I'm just mining coal again. Dang, false diamond. Ooh, redstone. Yay. Oh no. I found fool's diamond.